We'll start with a Mustard C49S size 10 curved Caddis hook. This is UTC fluorescent green ultra thread. This will represent the egg sac of the female Caddis. Let's go to there and we go back down. To just about there. Then what we want to do is just flatten our thread out. Now we just want to make a small fluorescent green, oops, egg sac. That was a bit daft. There we go. Caught it in. So we just got and this can make the difference. If you fish this pattern without this, it sometimes doesn't work, but this really does make a difference when the egg-laying females are on the water. Okay, that'll do us just fine just there. Then we need some small pearl tinsel. Tuck this in. Sort my thread out first. There we go. This is for the rib. Then we'll just go up, get that out of the way. And just trim that off. And then what we need is some bronze turkey flats, and we just go back down to about there, cut a little strip from the turkey flats, and we tie this in just there, like so, and then we'll go up and forward. And then I'll just bring this around. Make sure you get it the right way with the iridescent side out. And then we'll just wind this up. To there, bring our thread around, catch it in, tie that off, trim off that. We'll wind our pearl tinsel rib. Tie that off. What I like to do then is just fold that over, make a couple of turns just to lock it down. And we'll get rid of that. We take a single CDC hackle for the underwing. It'll do us nicely there. Just a couple of turns, and then we'll pull the wing. That's perfect there. And we'll just secure that, going forward a little. Remove that. Good. Secure that again. Go up here. Flatten our tying thread and split it like so. This is a tiny bit of squirrel and hare's here dubbing with a little bit of synthetic in that I've made, and we just want to spin this up. I'll do is, if there's any unruly bits, what we want here now is just a fine thorax. There we go, that's good for us. Then we need to clean and stack a little bunch of deer hair, a little bit longer than the CDC underwing, and then we'll go twice around and tighten, tighten. With each turn we just tighten a little bit more, secure it, lift all the hair back, with finisher, and we drop a varnish just on the last remaining whip finish. There we are. Tighten that up. Remove our tying thread and gather up all the hairs over the top, and we take our razor blade, place it onto the hook eye, and then we have it, the egg laying caddis. There's a hair that, and pull that one out. Super pattern, very easy to tie as well. So if you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.